Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove waist beads, whether they are the elastic type, barrel clasp, tie-on waist beads, or a lobster clasp. So if you needed any help in removing any type of these, I'm just going to quickly show you how. So the first one are the elastic ones. These are easy enough. If you did put them on when they were already tied, then you likely know you're going to take them off the same way you put them on, which is either over your head or down your legs, depending on your proportions. It's easier for some people to bring it down because they don't have as many hips to block their way, the passage down. And sometimes it's easier to go over the head. So this is simple enough for elastic waist beads. They have a lot of stretch, so you'll be able to just put it up over you and remove them like so. And when you're ready to put them back on again, it's easy just to put them on over your head, or again you can step through them, pull them back up. So those are these elastic ones. So the next one is the barrel clasp. The barrel clasp is another simple one to remove. You just look for the clasp, so you're just going to slide along and look for that clasp. These happen to be elastic too, so that's why you're seeing a bit of movement with the beads. But we find the clasp right here, and then you're going to have the right hand is going to come towards you. Most clasps are the same, but you're just going to unscrew them like so. And if you wanted to reattach them, you just screw them in the opposite direction. Alright, so that's how you remove the barrel clasps. Now for the lobster hook, these are some lobster hook waist beads. So again, you're just gonna turn your waist beads around to find the hook. Once you found the hook, you're just going to hold on to the ring one side, and then the lobster hook has this latch that opens and closes like so. I am right-handed, this is my left hand, so it's a little bit tricky, but you're just going to remove it just like that. And then once you reattach, well, when you're ready to reattach, you're just going to slide the lobster hook just like that, just like any other jewelry. So we're going to remove them like so. Now the last ones are these tie-on waist beads. These are more of the permanent ones that you don't usually want to take off as easily. Some people keep them on for years, some to serve a purpose, and once that purpose is over, they remove them. So for these, just so you don't have beads flying everywhere, you're just going to want to turn your beads around and find the knot. So look for the knot. Now once you found the knot, see right here, there's a knot. You're just going to slide beads across as much as you can. Wearing beads over time, you do get a little give in the thread. You do get a little give in the thread over the time, so you're just going to want to find as much space as possible. And then you're going to slide all of the beads over to one side. So these are right on the knot. Can you see that? And then the space is on the other side right here. It's not a lot of space, but there's a little space there. All right, now you're going to get your scissors. Just grab some hair scissors. Can't find my crafting scissors right now, so you're just going to grab some scissors. So again, these are next to the knot. There's a part with space. You're going to hold the fingers with a part with the space in. All right, and between your fingers, you see this? This is in the way. Now between your fingers and the knot, you're just going to cut in between there. And you hold where your fingers are. You're going to hold on as tight as you can there, because once you cut the beads, you don't want them flying everywhere. So you're just going to cut right there. You see I've cut, and these beads aren't going to go anywhere because the knot is right here to hold it in place. And you just hold this as tight as possible, even though it's just a tiny little bit of string. I'm holding on, just hold on as tight as possible, and there we go. You lose no beads. You're not spending hours trying to locate your beads. Now if you wanted to reuse your beads, you have them all in one place ready to go again. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Comment any more video suggestions, or if you have any other questions, something I didn't cover in this video, and subscribe for more. And until next time.